Welcome to Simply Excel. In this quick tutorial, we're going to take a look at wrap text. What wrap text does is it will wrap your text onto multiple lines within a cell in order to display all your text, even if your column isn't wide enough. This can be really useful for helping control the width of your tables, increasing their readability on screen and if you're printing them out. For example, if we look at our summary column, you can see that the text is too long to display and it's hidden behind the next cell containing the country. If we were to auto-fit this column, and we do that by double-clicking between the columns, you'll see that's now pushed some of the information off to the right of my screen, so we can no longer see that. So if we wanted to make this column narrower, but still see all the text within it, we'd need to use the wrap text. I'll just make this column a bit narrower again, and all we need to do is highlight all the cells I want to apply the wrap text to, and click on the wrap text button up here in the alignment area in the Home tab of the ribbon. And you'll see that's wrapped the text onto multiple lines and extended the height of the rows to allow for that. You can also access wrap text by right-clicking on your cell, going into the Format Cells option, and in the Alignment tab, ticking the wrap text tick box. And another thing to note about the wrap text is if we now change the width of our column, you'll see it automatically adjusts the text to fit the new column width. And as always with Excel, there's a keyboard shortcut as well, which in this case is in sequence the Alt key, then H, then W, and that's wrapped our text for us. I hope you found this quick tutorial useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.